in Microsoft Excel, there is a feature called autocomplete. And what autocomplete does is if I'm typing in a cell, it looks at all the cells right above it. So it looks at this list to see if there's anything similar, and if it is, it will type it right in automatically. Let me give you an example. Let's say if I'm going to type in C, you can see it automatically finishes what I have here, cover inspection in this case. Alright, let's go down another one. Let's say I'm going to type in P for perk. Oh, it doesn't complete. Wonder why. Let me see, there's one P here and there's one P here, and there are two different P. One is perk, one is pits. So it doesn't know which one you want, so it's looking for the next letter. So if I type in the next letter I, for an example, it immediately completes it with pits. Let's look at one more. Let's do F. Well, there's only one set of F here, so it puts in final inspect. So the way autocomplete works is it looks at all the cells that are immediately above it, and it makes that like a list, and if the first letter matches and there's only one example of that, it will automatically complete it, fill it in. If there's more than one with the first letter, it then looks for the second letter. In order for autocomplete to work, it must be in the cells immediately above it. For an example, if you skip a cell and now I type in C, there's nothing there. It will not complete because there is a blank in between this cell and the list above it. Now there is a workaround. A simple workaround is just to put like anything in that cell, and now all the cells are filled. So if I type in C, it will complete the autocomplete. And if I do F, it will complete it. So you can't have any blanks in here. Now you can trick it. So I could put like a space in here if you must have a blank, and it will fill it in because there is something in the cell. It's just a space, but it will fill it in. So if you want the autocomplete feature to work, remember every cell above the cell you're typing in must have something in it. Alright, let's say for an example, you have a spreadsheet that you want to do on a monthly basis and you have all the descriptions in here, but you don't want to retype them every month, and they could appear in any order, so you don't know what order is, so you want the autocomplete feature to work. One way to do this, and there may be other ways, would be to copy this header, and I'm now going to paste this header in here. And what this does, it's now there's no blank cells. So I could go in here and I can now type in autocomplete, 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 autocomplete. So I could put in, and since there's no break in this list, it looks at all the previous cell entries, and it will do autocomplete if there's a match. So I can now go down and type in all my things, and then what I could just do is I could just go up here and I'm going to right click and just delete everything. And now I will have my file completed. I can save it under a new name, and It's a way I could redo this on a monthly basis and use the autocomplete feature to make my life a lot easier in typing in descriptions or other items or other columns, we'll say, in this Excel spreadsheet.